Guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech World. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to stay in touch with us. So in today's video we will teach you how you can send secret messages to your friends. Sometime we need to send some secret content, some secret messages on WhatsApp to our friends. So I will tell you the application. So through this application you will send secret messages to your friends. Means these messages are totally secret. When your friend open the chat, then he can see the message and reply you. So now before starting the video, please support us and subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So now we need to start the video. Let's start. So basically we simply need to open the Play Store, and in Play Store we simply need to search 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗶 app. So you can see the second application, 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗃𝗲 send spoilers. So in through this app you can send secret messages to your friend. So like this kind of messages you send to your friends. From the upper line you need to add just a description like breaking news, secret messages or etc, and in the second line, last line, you need to write the secret message which you want to send to your friend. Like when you send your the message to your friend, it will be show like this: spoiler alert or breaking news or this kind of a message showed to him, and he see that in the last of the message, learn more. When he click to learn more, then he can see the actual message like Harry Potter, you can see. So this application is very useful for WhatsApp users who want to send secret messages. I also personally use this application. That's why this application is already installed in my mobile phone. I simply open the application and tell you how it works. You simply need to paste the headline here like breaking news, and the secret message you simply need to write here like hello, how are you, or anything. So simply copy to clipboard and send this message to your friend. I hope you like the video because it's very useful application. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please press the like button and also subscribe our channel to stay in touch with us. Our purpose is to give you quality content. Thank you so much. Place your favorite content, means if you want to see any other content in our channel, suggest us a best content in comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.